The F90 error code occurs when the control board detects a faulty door lock motor, which is the most common cause of this issue, along with a faulty control board or door lock motor. To resolve the problem, start by examining the door lock motor. Disconnect the brown and white wires from the control board and use a multimeter to measure the resistance of the motor wires. If the multimeter reads 2000 ohms, the door lock motor is functional, and the control board should be checked and replaced. However, if the resistance readings are OL or 0 ohms, disconnect the brown and white wires from the motor and test the resistance on the motor spades. If the results don't show 2000 ohms, the door lock motor is defective and should be replaced, or a technician can be contacted for assistance. Additionally, test the brown and white wire resistance. If the wires are okay, you'll get a reading of 0 ohms. But if they're faulty, resistance readings will be OL, in which case the wires should be replaced.